Okay, welcome back, my fellow aggressive learners. In case you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to go to my YouTube channel at Sadiko. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You would be helping me grow. Thank you very much. In this section, we are going to work on our project. We're going to add some beautiful features to our poem project. Now, this project it's going to be a poet page. Let's assume you are a poet and you want to have a page for yourself, all right? Spoken word artist, blah, 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 whatever it is. So let's add some flesh with all the things we have learned. Let's go and apply some of these things to this page so we could be happier, all right? Good. Now, we're going to work on this index page. We're going to transfer everything that is on this page. We are transferring from this header, all right? We'll carry from this header down up to before the body, all right? So we are carrying it. We take it to what? We take it to the poem page, all right? Good. So we'll leave that page for now. Now on the index page, which is going to be our home page, the first thing we want to do is that we want to add UL tag and all those stuff, all right? So we want to do UL, and then we want to do LI, and inside the LI, the first LI, we want to add the what? We want to add the home page, all right? Then inside we want to do a copy and paste, all right? Let's just repeat this for other ones. So we're going to have this, and then we're going to have copy this and paste here because I am lazy, all right? Good. And I'm going to copy this and paste here because I'm lazy too. So I want to arrange this very well. I really want about us to be the second item, so it could look nice and well organized. And I want poem to be the middle item, all right? So it could look very beautiful. So under this notion, if I restart my server, all right, let me restart my server. Sorry about the Reze. Well, I'm unapologetic about that. That is, I love her music, and if you do well to check it out online. Thank you. So where are we? So we are now here. We got this. So if you check out our page, this is what we have now. Oh, sorry. Who noticed what went wrong here? Nobody noticed it. Nobody noticed it. That's so painful. That's so painful. Nobody noticed it. Nobody told me. None of you called my attention. It's so painful. I'm angry right now. I'm actually angry right now. So we are only replacing this, right? We're only replacing this. That's the problem with copy and paste. Then the next thing, poem. We said poem is going to be the middle item, right? So we're only replacing this. And then contact is going to be the last item. And we're only replacing this anchor tag. So you see everything is right inside what? Is right inside the unordered list, all right? And all the anchor tags are inside what? A list. You can see, look at how they are arranged beautifully. And promise me by the time we start touching CSS, we can do all this and they will all look very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. They will be in what we call block elements, all right? Good. So in this case, now after we have achieved this, let's look for something that will be here, like an image that we're going to put here, all right? More like a welcome. When somebody come into the site, you just see an image that will tell him a little bit of what the site is all about. So let's go to Canva and design something as quick as possible. As quick as possible. I won't waste your time, but let's just do this briefly. If you have never touched Canva before, it's a good time to have a little bit good knowledge of that, all right? Good. So let me quickly go to design, all right? And then I'm going to use I'm going to do presentation, and on that presentation because the image that comes from presentation, please permit me to increase this for now. Let's finish what we want to do. So briefly, sorry about my internet is really not making sense currently. I'm going to look for a very beautiful picture. A beautiful picture, very beautiful one, very beautiful one. What are we even talking about? What are we talking about? We're working on a poet. Okay, good. So let me use this beautiful girl and do some magic. Yes, so I'm going to give a color that looks like where she is so it won't be detected. I don't know. I'm going to do this way. Yeah, good. This looks good. So I'm going to do this briefly. Adana is a seasoned spoken word artist. Who is privileged to bless an uncountable number of lives of persons through her poetry works. Please forgive my English. All right, good. So I'm going to give this some nice color so it won't look like mumbo jumbo thing. I think white is okay for a start. She's putting on so I'm going to make her name to be close to her skin color. I think this color should be nice. Yeah, I don't know. Good. Spoken word artist. I want a different color. I want it to be red. What's on her clothes? She has orange. Yep, she has orange. Yeah, good. And then poetry work. I also want it in. Sorry, forgive my sense of design, but we just want to get some nice work done. But this is not working, so I'm going to make this to be what? To be red again. So let's go. So I know this might not really be of best fit, but it will help us to get to where we are going. All right, so let's get this downloaded, and then I want to select PNG, and then it's a very large, big image. All right, so that is Adana, and this is the image I am going to use. So I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put this inside here. Remember, this story used to be Helena, but now it's going to be Adana. Adana. All right, good. So I think we're getting somewhere. So so I'm going to use this Adana on my home page. So now, what do we want to do? We want to do image, right? We want to do image, and we want to do source, and then the source. Where are we taking it from? We're taking it from images, and we're taking Adana, and then alternative image is what? Is Adana. Adana the poets, right? So of course it has a self closing tag. and then if you refresh this page, you are as good as on this page. So what do? Let's add some width management to this, right? So width, let's call it width, we want 400. I think that's okay. That's 800. Awesome. 1000 is okay. 1200 is okay. The image does have such capacity, right? So for now, let's leave it at this size. All right, good. Let's leave it at this size. So you can put a little write-up, right? So let me use p tag, and then I'm going to generate some lorem. Let's assume this is a little bit write-up about Adana lorem 300. Yes. So I'm going to do this, and if you stretch this, you will see a whole lot of letters. All right, good. Let's assume this is the home page, so you just come in and then you see all this. So we can adjust this as we keep moving. All right, so this is the first page. All right, so we will fix in the next class. We're going to add more features to this and then make it look more good. We're going to the poem page to add some small stuff, all right, and make it look more beautiful. See you in the next class.